Welcome to Easy Daily English. Subscribe now to join our community. Ready for a new story? Let's go. Do you know the names of things that take us from place to place? We use them every day, but many people don't know them in English. Let's learn them together today. Hello, friends. Listen and repeat after me. Car is something that takes us from one place to another. Taxi is something that takes us to places for money. Bus is something that carries many people. Minibus is something that carries a small group of people. Train is something that moves on tracks and takes us far. Tram is something that moves on tracks inside the city. Subway is something that moves under the ground. Motorcycle is something that moves fast with two wheels. Scooter is something that helps us move short distances. Bicycle is something that we pedal to move. Electric bike is something that moves with a small motor. Electric scooter is something that helps us move without walking. Skateboard is something that we stand on and roll. Roller skates are something we wear to roll on the ground. Truck is something that carries heavy things. Van is something that carries people or things. Pickup truck is something that carries things in the back. Ambulance is something that takes sick people to the hospital. Police car is something that helps police move fast. Fire truck is something that helps firefighters reach fires. Airplane is something that takes us through the sky. Helicopter is something that flies and lands anywhere. Hot air balloon is something that floats in the sky. Glider is something that flies without an engine. Private jet is something rich people use to travel. Paraglider is something that people use to fly for fun. Boat is something that moves on water. Ship is something that carries many people or things on the sea. Ferry is something that carries people across water. Yacht is something people use to travel for fun. Canoe is something we row on water. Kayak is something we use to move in rivers or lakes. Submarine is something that moves under the water. Jet ski is something that moves fast on the sea. Cable car is something that moves over the city on a cable. Chairlift is something that takes us up the mountain. Horse is something that we can ride to move. Carriage is something that horses pull to carry people. Rickshaw is something a person pulls to move people. Snowmobile is something that moves on snow. Great job, friends! Now you know many transportation words in English. Practice these words and you will speak better every day. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.